Once you are logged in to Cefic News, it's time to tailor your experience. You can select your interests, set up alerts, and choose your preferred layout. You can opt by going via this pop-up or simply going to your settings. To select your preferred topics and content sources, click on Interests. You will already see on your left-hand side the topics you can choose from. These topics vary from research and innovation, environment and health, all the way to energy. For each of these topics, you can choose to be informed on very niche content or to be informed on all. Once you click on Content Sources, you can opt for which channels you wish to pull information from. We recommend to choose at the very minimum Cefic and members only. Where setting up your alerts is concerned, you can set up email notifications which land in your inbox, and in the app for your smartphone, you can additionally set up push notifications. We recommend that you do set up notifications, especially for those of you who are Advocacy Hub users or regular readers of the Policy Breakfast newsletter, as this is the only way you will be informed when new content comes out. When setting up these notifications, we advise you keep at the very minimum breaking news alerts on, as well as our bi-weekly Chemistry Matters newsletter. More of a nice to have than a must have are the layout preferences. You can choose your font size, and you can also opt to go for light or dark mode. Once you are done with these settings, you are ready to go. Enjoy the ride.